Turning on Filter Unknown Senders in Messages on your iPhone 16 helps organize your inbox by separating messages from unknown contacts, reducing clutter and potential spam in your main message list. Here's how it's done. First, head over to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. Once you're in the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. A list of all apps will load up next. Find Messages from the list, and then tap on it to proceed. Now, scroll down to the message filtering section. Finally, toggle the switch next to Filter Unknown Senders to enable or turn the feature on. When enabled, messages from unknown senders, or those not in your contacts, will be sorted into a separate list. You won't receive notifications for these messages. Links and messages from unknown senders won't be clickable until you add the sender to your contacts or reply to the message. This feature on your iPhone 16 is particularly useful for managing potential spam or unwanted messages. It helps keep your main message list clean and focused on conversations with known contacts. If you want their messages to appear in your main inbox, simply add the sender to your contacts or disable the Filter Unknown Senders feature in Messages. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.